Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you a neat workaround for copying comments on Instagram for Android. Instagram doesn't let you directly copy comment text, but there's a simple trick to get around this. Let's jump in. All right, first thing, open the Instagram app on your Android phone and find a post with comments you want to copy. Tap on the post to view it. Now, tap on View All Comments or scroll down to see the comments section. You'll see all the comments people have left on the post. Okay, if you try to tap and hold on a comment, Instagram doesn't give you an option to copy the text. You can only like it, reply to it, or report it. So here's the workaround. Here's the thing. Take a screenshot of the comment you want to copy. Just press the power button and volume down button at the same time on your Android phone to capture the screen. Once you've taken the screenshot, open your Gallery or Photos app and find the screenshot you just took. Now tap on the screenshot to open it. Look for an icon that says Lens or Google Lens or a text selection tool. This might be at the bottom of the screen or in the options menu. Tap on it. Google Lens will scan the text in your screenshot. You'll see the comment text highlighted. Tap on the text, then tap Copy Text or select All, then Copy. Now, open your Notes app or any text app where you want to paste it. Long press in the text field and tap Paste. The comment text will appear there. And that's it. You've successfully copied an Instagram comment using this screenshot workaround. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.